For foreigner, it seems to be confused for how to T-Money card. Let's start with how to use T-Money card in Seoul, Korea. In conclusion, answer as convenience store. This table shows you can buy, charge, refund T-Money card at subway station, but it is available for these action in subway station only. At convenience store, you do all in Korea. There are lots of convenience store. If you ask me, I strongly recommend to go convenience store rather than subway station. Finally, you can use ATM. But, in real life, people don't use ATM frequently. Begin with explaining T-Money card use manual simply. In order to use it, you bus first and charge money into T-card. And then, you can use it in real situation. Added comment as tips for you. Detailed action was added as well for you. I confident that this summary is very useful for all. But, to charge into T-card, you need to prepare cash in advance. Added some more information for better understanding. Showed 24-hour convenience store in Korea. And it provide charging function. After charging, finally, you can use T-card. Hope to experience using T-card and safe travel.